Hello, welcome to this channel. So this will be very important from the YouTubers. It's mainly for YouTube thumbnail purpose. So, sir, how is happening for YouTube thumbnails and everything? So people will be watching your any videos majorly affected by your thumbnail effects. So most of the videos will be affected by the thumbnails. So the thumbnails will be not visible by proper content and everything. They will affected by your particular ranking on your YouTube channel will be yours. So that is purpose how you can handling for your particular YouTube thumbnail. So in this purpose, we can go to this option will be here. That is will be in your particular post. So most of the users, how we can handling for the thumbnails. That is a major impact. Okay, this thumbnail is not worth. So we have to change this thumbnail. First of all, how to share YouTube video content from the other Facebook and other social network. This is the purpose of we can using and Craylo website. We have two website will be using for making a thumbnail purpose. Select for YouTube thumbnail will be here. The size will be 1280 by 720 pixel. Always remember YouTube thumbnail size 1280 by 720. There are multiple layouts are there, multiple photos are there. Which is a photo will be here. So that all will be can use from the in this. Selecting free and selecting will be pro. Two options are here. Selecting will be like this. Image will be you can use by option. So again we can here video. So we can share by the everything will be here. There is a you can call for the video option. These are all your particular photos, free and pro photos. And we have the number of templates. Which is template will be useful. You can selecting will be education template you can useful. Select your education templates. And Canva also same. They will be coming to social network, anything will be here. Select your search will be these options. YouTube. There are option name is called channel art and YouTube thumbnail, everything will be here. So those are will be can complete for option will be here. So suggested from templates. How many templates will be useful? We can use the particular template option. Most of them YouTube thumbnail size 1280 by 720. We can use the Canva and Craylo. Now we can use the Craylo option. Education templates, so many will be here. In this, we can use the any kind of templates. Which template will be very useful? We can use this particular templates. And templates and effect is more important, which is we can useful. There will be here. There will be paid and free. You can check it out. Is a free option. So here will be all kind of things will be you can change from the here. So which will be useful? You can select from here. This will be very useful the content. And text size will be decrease, which is not useful. Remove it. And here will be upload your own images. You can selecting for photo, everything, animation, object, background, text, subject, everything will be here. This will be my files. My file nothing but we can upload any kind of things will be here. So here YouTube PNG nothing but transparent image, which will be using for transparent image that will help by the users not copy the your background one. So this will be help upload the image and video, go to documentation. Where is our exact we can download will be here file. So check it out. So this will be different HTML file will be downloaded here. You can check it out. Save image, PNG. Go to documentation. So why we can selecting for PNG may nothing but we can using for transparent image. That is they can't copy your background. So that is a specification will be very important. And your subscribe your channel and everything will be compulsory important. That is the most favorite will be here. Next will be Facebook PNG. You can use the name of the Facebook, save image, Facebook logo, upload image. So with your Facebook, look into this and make it here done. Always keep it in mind that you will be using for PNG image will be compulsory important. So that is a matching for your particular color. That is you can change your transparent and animated anything you can will be possible by these options. So that is purpose. We can use the white strip option will be compulsory use them. So it is. So we can use Trello or Canva. How many features you have? We can use the all image will be happen. Background and your logo will be complete fulfill. Don't use that kind of logos. The compulsory important will be we can show to the particular customer and the particular image. That is most important to the particular users. Now image will be done before downloading. Let it increase font. Or we can increase your text color. What is the color you can select? And download different environment, JPG, PNG, everything. JPG you can download. Where you can download and upload time, your logo name and your image name of title name, both are same will be important. Though we can download here. So we can download image will be into the download folder. It is done. So change your title on your image and upload it. The size will be 1280 by 720. The particular size will be maintained to the particular channels who will be use this particular option. Next one, we can use the Canva. Now we'll be using for Trello. In a total content, don't select for total content, will be here. How to increase website traffic from Facebook? Select here. Which one we can selecting will be here. So we can go with the number of templates are there. Selecting for templates. Which template will be free? Most of the template will be paid. Most of the template will be free. With pro nothing but paid one. Don't go with the paid one. Paid one. You can go to the free option, or else go to the free. And options. So we can use this option will be remove the Facebook. Next. This logo most important, and this just will be very useful content will be most important will be there. So these icons are very important to the particular. Any icons you will increase, you can increase the number of icons and different ways. So this is a way we can create by thumbnail by the Canva option. So many templates will be possible will to show to the customers. Which template will be show? We can use this one. And always when you're uploading thumbnail time, your video title and your thumbnail title both are same will be must should important. That will be SEO purpose. YouTube SEO, the minimum rule will be maintained for the particular option. So those options you can follow and properly maintain thumbnail for each YouTube videos. Any question about YouTube thumbnails, sizes and the facing problem, always don't go with the Photoshop Corel for the digital marketers. Hoping we can use from the option name is called Trello and Canva. Both are used for YouTube thumbnail making purpose. This completely 50% free, 50% paid. Both are Trello and Canva. Use them. And what are the internet images without watermark image? We can select them. And suppose you can share it by the Facebook and YouTube. You can use the original logos. No need to problem. Why? Because you express about the that particular content. But if you are use any unknown faces, don't use in your particular video thumbnails. Don't use for unknown faces images. Like any image you say sharing from photo time, an image will be shown to customer like this. Any kind of photos, don't share from the through YouTube thumbnails. Don't be selecting for the animated image. You can select them, but don't selecting for direct face images, unknown persons. So like this, don't will be selected. If any further question, you can ask me in my channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.